People need to be prepared for this storm, and once it starts, do not drive.
Crews have already begun preparations for this weekend's winter weather. VDOT teams started pre-treating the roads on Thursday and will prioritize work on primary roads and highways until the storm passes. Patience will be key, as lingering below freezing temperatures and the potential for ice could delay cleanup and power restoration efforts.
Snowplows will not arrive in subdivisions potentially for days. That means people need to be prepared, they need to plan ahead, and they need to be patient.
Make sure you have extra flashlights and batteries, your candles. A big one people forget about is their medications. Make sure you're stocked up on that, especially those for your pets as well.
If you do lose power, heat insulation will be important. APCO says to check windows and doors for cracks, allow sunlight to heat your home naturally during the day, but cover those windows back up at night. Reporting in Roanoke, Sam Graham, WFXR News.